In this video, I am going to show you how to backup WordPress website manually, so let's get started. So we are going to backup our WordPress website using the very easy method, and for this we do not need our cPanel account because we can easily do it from our WordPress website dashboard. To do this, we are going to install a WordPress plugin. So from the WordPress dashboard, we are going to click on plugins and then click on add new. Now we are going to search for a plugin Updraft Plus, and we are going to install and activate this plugin. This plugin has 3 million plus active installations. You can start using this plugin from here, or you can close it from here and then click on settings and then Updraft Plus backups. Now to take the backup of our WordPress website, we are going to click on backup now. Select this checkbox and then click on backup now. And it will start generating our WordPress website backup. It will take a little bit time depending on the size of our WordPress website. And as you can see that our backup is now finished, and you can scroll down to the top, and here under the existing backup section, you will see the backup that you have just created. So in case something went wrong with your website and now you want to restore it, from the Updraft Plus dashboard, we are going to scroll down to existing backup section and then we are going to click on restore button. Now we are going to select all the checkboxes, and after that we are going to select next, and then we are going to click on restore button and it will start restoring our website. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.